An incredibly spacious and light-filled 3-story detached home situated within the high-demand Upper Beaches Estates neighbourhood. Welcome to 43 Flagman Street. Set on an oversized corner property and beautifully landscaped with stone and greenery for great curb appeal, this exceptionally well-maintained home showcases a main level with 9-foot ceilings, pot lighting, a bright yet neutral decor, hickory hardwood flooring, as well as a spacious open layout that is a delight for entertaining. A glass globe linear light fixture brings modern elegance to the dining room, which is combined with the living room, and both of these spaces have the added finishing touch of crown moldings, while windows with transoms along the east and north walls allow for abundant natural lighting that enhances their openness. A half wall separates the living room from the foyer, which features a double coat closet and a powder room, while the south end of the home showcases the open concept family room, kitchen, and the breakfast area, which is bathed in sunshine brightness streaming through a huge south-facing window. A corner gas fireplace with a stone facade and white mantel adds cozy warmth to this beautiful entertaining space, and the home chef will delight in the recently renovated kitchen. Showcasing an island with seating, waterfall edges, and a stainless steel double sink, this fantastic workspace has abundant cabinetry storage that includes a pantry area, quartz counters and backsplashes, as well as new stainless steel appliances that include a dishwasher, oven, and 4-door French door fridge. There is also a secondary coat closet off this space and a garden door walkout to the backyard, which is very private, extremely low maintenance, being landscaped with interlocking perennials and shrubs, and which also provides access to a detached double-car garage. The lower level of this home is unfinished, yet has wonderful potential for future recreational, entertaining, and storage space. And to the second level is a dark-stained hardwood staircase, with this level also showcasing high ceilings and a bright yet neutral decor, as well as upgraded light fixtures and dark hardwood flooring throughout. Flooding natural light into the media room is a full wall of north-facing windows, plus 2 east-facing accent windows. A wall of built-in shelves displays treasured keepsakes. A 2-piece washroom with a tiled floor and wood vanity is also found off this space, and a garden door opens onto a covered balcony that overlooks the tree-lined street. The south end of this level is dedicated to the spacious master suite. Very bright and also illuminated by a charming vintage-style chandelier, this bedroom features a sitting area by its window, a large walk-in closet, as well as a 4-piece ensuite washroom showcasing tile finishes throughout, a soaker tub, a furniture-style vanity with a stone counter, and a separate shower area with glass door. To the third level is a carpeted staircase with hardwood railings and mid-landing, with this level featuring dark hardwood flooring finishing its hall, a bright neutral decor, 3 light-filled bedrooms, all with upgraded light fixtures and broadloom for added coziness, a laundry room with washer and dryer, as well as a 4-piece washroom with a wood vanity. These 2 spaces both having tiled floors and with a linen closet conveniently placed between them. The first bedroom is very generous in its size, and each of its 3 wall recesses have arched windows for abundant natural lighting, with this room easily accommodating sitting and study areas and also featuring great closet storage. A wonderful neighborhood for growing families, this home is within the catchment area of top-notch schools, including Adam Beck Jr. and Glen Ames Senior Public Schools, as well as Malvern Collegiate and Danforth Collegiate and Technical Institutes, while recreational and outdoor facilities such as Bob Acton Park, the East Toronto Athletic Field, and the Ted Reeve Community Arena are just a very short walk away. The second and third bedrooms at the south end of the hall also have abundant closet storage, and these two bedrooms both have garden door walkouts onto a shared covered balcony with expansive neighborhood views. With Danforth Avenue and Kingston Road shopping and restaurants close at hand, as well as the Main Street subway and Danforth GO stations, this home is also within walking distance to the beach neighborhood as well as the boardwalk and beach along Lake Ontario. And it's just a short drive to the Don Valley Parkway to connect with other major thoroughfares within the city.